The first race I ever did on my life on a sailboat was on a 171-foot schooner. When I was pretty new on Columbia, it was maybe a month or two into working on the boat, and we were taking her north for the summer from Panama City, Florida. We were hit by a line of squalls. It's night. There's lightning going on around. The rain is starting. Something gets caught up aloft. We try snapping it around the spreader. We keep trying, and it's just not happening. And I just remember the mate turning to me and being like, "Shanan, can you go up?" And I was like, "Yep." And I threw on a harness really quick, and I ran aloft on this massive boat at night with lightning all around, and it was awesome. I loved it. I cleared the line. I got back to deck. We completed the maneuver, whatever we were doing, and I absolutely loved it. What I had going for me was that I'd just come out of spending my early 20s avidly rock climbing. So I was super strong with really calloused hands and really good at climbing things. It helps that I'm almost 6 feet, but I wasn't all of it. It was just an attitude thing. And I could beat anyone at scrambling aloft. So that's kind of what I started doing. So I was like, this I can do. But generally it's when we're racing that we do have to go aloft when we're sailing. And in that case, it's usually to release topsails, or again, if something gets fouled. There's just so many lines, there's so much happening up there. And if we can fix it from deck, we do, but often it's fastest for someone to just get up there and do it. So that was a lot of what I did in my first year or two of sailing on schooners.